Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so right now on my screen, I'm looking at the CryonX EA for MT5, developed by Solomon Dean on the MQL5 Marketplace. This EA is currently priced at 559 US dollars, and the latest version listed here is 1.3, updated in January 2026. In terms of platform compatibility, the EA is built for MT5, and there seems to be no MT4 version attached to this product listing. So now, looking through the description, the EA is presented as an autonomous trading system focused on structured execution under high volatility conditions. Now, the developer also mentions that the system operates on a real live account signal rather than a sent account, which is something they emphasize quite heavily in the overview section. So scrolling further down, the EA is described as using a layered analytical framework with multiple confirmation stages before opening trades. According to the description, the system evaluates things like volatility behavior, directional momentum, liquidity concentration, and structural alignment before execution takes place. One thing clearly stated here is that the EA does not use martingale grid systems or uncontrolled position scaling, which is important because a lot of traders specifically look for that information before testing an EA. Now, the marketplace page also highlights several internal modules, including volatility mapping, liquidity scanning, and a defense layer designed to supervise exposure during unstable market conditions. So overall, the system seems heavily focused on filtering market conditions before taking positions rather than simply increasing exposure during drawdown periods. Now, moving into the operating parameters section, the EA is mainly optimized for XAUUSD on the H1 time frame, and the developer recommends a deposit of $500 or more for balanced operation, although it also mentions a minimum supported deposit of $100 with higher risk exposure. There's also a recommendation for using a low spread ECN broker, which makes sense considering the EA is designed around structured execution and volatility conditions. Now, switching over to the backtesting section, what I'm focusing on here is how the EA handled historical market movement on gold, especially during periods of increased volatility. So we are testing the CryonX EA on gold H1 time frame. The test is running from the 1st of the year 2026 till date 23 May as at the time of testing. Delay, we are using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling. So the test has completed, and from the chart activity and overall trade structure, the entries appear to be selective rather than overly aggressive, and the position management seems designed around controlled exposure instead of rapid scaling behavior. Okay, I can see that there are notable spacing between the entries, between the positions, right? And the EA seems to be targeting short-term price movements because we can see that the trades are opened and closed within the same candle. It happened here again, happened here again, and so on and so forth. And then you can see the spacing between the positions. Okay. So looking through the historical testing performance, the EA appears structured to react only when multiple conditions align together, which matches the multi-vector confirmation logic explained earlier in the marketplace description. So I'd still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, especially across different volatility environments, so you can get a broader understanding of how the system behaves over time. And of course, it is important to remember that these are strictly historical backtest results and not guaranteed future outcomes. Real performance can vary significantly depending on broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, lot sizing, market volatility, and overall optimization settings. Now, let's just quickly look at the results themselves. From an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was over 11%, right? At $11,885.22, and 57 total trades we are taking, 31 short trades with 83.87% win rate, 26 long trades with 96.15% win rate. Okay, so the largest profit was $7,029. The largest loss was $23,426.34. The average profit $1,795.82. The average loss $13,283.61. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad. All right, it's significantly bad. You can see the difference between the average profit and the average loss. All right, not to talk of the largest profit and the largest loss. Okay, so judging from this, the EA has a bad risk to reward ratio. But I think one of the main factors that contributed to this 11.9% net profit is the win rate, right? We can see that the EA has an excellent win rate, 83.87% for the short trades, 96.15% for the long trades. For this particular set of trades, right, over this particular market conditions. So do not, conclude that, these past results will yield or rather will result in, similar future performance, okay? Because past performance does not guarantee future results, okay? And let's just quickly look at the graph. Okay, we can see now that despite having a net profit, there were significant drawdowns. There was a time when the balance dropped significantly, and before the recovery started again. Okay, so the fact that there was a total net profit does not mean that there were no hurdles, during the period of the back testing. Okay, so overall, the CryonX EA for MT5 is positioned as a structured, volatility-focused automated trading system for gold traders, with a strong emphasis on controlled execution and layered market analysis rather than aggressive recovery techniques. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.